Hello from yet another island in the Stockholm Archipelago. And this one is the southernmost island in the Stockholm Archipelago, named Landsort. Actually, this smaller city that it's called here, that lies on the same island that's called Öja. And I'm so happy to be exploring yet another island in the Stockholm Archipelago. It was quite a long ride to get here, 2.5 hours from my home, but yeah, perfect way to spend a Saturday. Because it's also warm, I would say. It is not that much cold, but the wind makes it a lot colder. And this spot over here, this beach that I have found, it's called Kummelhållet, and it's very, very close to the boat stop. And what is so interesting about this island is that there are 3 boat stops and they differ depending on the weather. So today we went on the east side, or wait a second, south, yeah, on the east side of the island, and I asked the boat driver if it's gonna be on the same or not, but hopefully it's gonna be on the same. And yeah, so it's only 30 minutes boat ride from Ankarudden. That's one of the southernmost spots of Nynäshamn. And I believe that this belongs to Nynäshamn municipality. I'm not completely sure, but I believe so, because we have started the journey from Nynäshamn. And if you look there, there are huge waves in the sea. Now this is a bit of a bay here, and there is a steps to get into the water and even a jumping platform. Now we have 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and I think it's around 18 in the sea as well. So we're gonna find out soon as I show you more of this beautiful island. There is even a lighthouse that I can see from here that I will visit later, as I have some time to explore the island as well. The water is so clean and so clear, so it's gonna be a perfect beach adventure. And yeah, on the boat all of the people had like winter clothes and boots. I was in shorts and light wind jacket, super light. So yeah, the beach adventures with Kris continue. And let's see what we are dealing with. Oh, 17 degrees in the sea. Slightly warmer than yesterday in Stockholm, where it was 16. So that's good. I'm now wondering if I should jump from the platform, but you know what? It's called Beach Adventures with Kris, so it's not gonna be an adventure if I don't jump now. I really hope it's deep enough. So we are here basically on open sea. Well, not here, but after that rock formation over there. And while being on the boat, I was up on the deck, obviously, and I was looking around all of the island. So this island is very long, but not so broad, as from one side to the other it's only like 2 minutes walk. Yeah, so there are boat rides to this island every day, and yeah, it's one of the most popular islands, I would say. There are no sandy beaches on this island, but as it is mostly built of these rocks, and it's known as many people have known for fishing. And I see a jellyfish here, which means that the water is clean. So let's then get ready to jump here at Landsort. Oh yeah, ready, set, and go! It was amazing. It was so amazing. I love it. Oh, what a beautiful way to enjoy in the open sea. Just look at those waves, it's fantastic. I'm so happy right now being in the southernmost island in the Stockholm Archipelago. So yes, I'm gonna be exploring more of the island, and let's see if I can find some other nice beach spots like this one where you can jump into the sea. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure at my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!